Hi students, in this session let us see the another problem in consignment, that is problem number 2. Okay, Bhaskar of Rajamundry consign 500 radio sets each at rupees 600 to Prasad of Tenali. Look at here, Bhaskar of Rajamundry consign 500 radio sets. Here the sender is Bhaskar. The sender is Bhaskar. So Bhaskar is the consigner. Is the consigner. Consign 500 radio sets, each at rupees 600 to Prasad. Who is the receiver? Prasad. Is the receiver here? Prasad. So Prasad is the consignee. Is the consignee. On consignment, Bhaskar paid 12,000 as freight and insurance. Who is the Bhaskar? He is the consigner. Now, consigner spent for expenses rupees 12,000. Here, the consigner expenses rupees 12,000. Bhaskar drawn a bill on Prasad for 3 months for 1 lakh. Here, Prasad drawn a bill for advance. Here the advance amount is rupees 1 lakh. This amount is received Bhaskar from Prasad. Okay. Prasad sent account sales, which shows the following particulars. Here, who is the Prasad? He is consignee. Consignee sent the account sales. With these, first one, gross sales proceeds. Here the sales. Gross sales proceeds. Here the sales rupees 4,50,000. Unloading and godown rent rupees 10,000. This 10,000 amount is expenses of consignee. This is the amount of expenses of consignee. Here commission 5% is on gross sales. Here gross sales amount 4,50,000. On 4,50,000, consignor paid commission to consignee at 5%. Okay. Now look at how to prepare ledger accounts in the books of Bhaskar. Bhaskar is a consignor. In the books of Bhaskar, in the books of Bhaskar. Ledger accounts in the books of Bhaskar. First one, consignment account. Consignment account, debit, credit, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. In consignment account, you will show the expenses, all the expenses in debit side. Show all the expenses in debit side and all the incomes in credit side or revenues. Incomes or revenues shown in the credit side. Incomes here. First one, Bhaskar of Rajamundry consigned 500 radio sets, each at rupees 600 to Prasad of Tenali on consignment. Here, consignor purchased goods. Consignor purchased goods for consignment to send to consignee. So it is an expenditure. It is an expenditure. How much amount? 500 radio sets into each at rupees 600. 500 into 600. That is 3 lakhs. That is 3 lakhs. It is writes in consignment account debit side. Goods sent on. Goods sent on consignment account. Consignment account. Okay. Next on consignment. Bhaskar paid rupees 12,000 as freight and insurance. Here, who is the Bhaskar? He is the consignor. Here, the consignor is Bhaskar. Consignor paid freight and insurance rupees 12,000. This also expenditure amount 12,000. So all the expenses are debit in consignment account. So freight and insurance, it is writes in cash or bank account. Bank account. This is an expenditure. In brackets, expenditure 12,000. Okay, next one. Bhaskar drawn a bill on Prasad for 3 months for rupees 1 lakh. This is advance. It is writes in consignee account. Next, Prasad sent account sales which shows the following particulars. That is gross sale proceeds. Here, the total goods sold for 4,50,000. This is revenue or income. So it is shown on credit side by 4,50,000. It is writes in is the consignee here Prasad. He is a person. Prasad in bracket. Prasad account in bracket sales. Bracket sales. Okay, next one. Unloading and go down rent. Unloading and go down rent. This amount paid by consignee. This is also an expenditure. So it is debit side on consignment account. Consignee expenditure 10,000. This is the consignee Prasad. Prasad account. Okay, next. Commission 5% is on gross sales. The commission consignor paid to consignee. It is also an expenditure. So it is writes on debit side Prasad account in bracket commission. Bracket commission. 5% is on gross sales. Here the gross sales amount 4,50,000. 4,50,000 into 5 by 100. 22,500. 22,500. These are the amounts. Yeah. Now the credit side amount is bigger than the debit side amount. So the total 4,50,000. Here 4,50,000. The difference between debit side and credit side 4,50,000 minus these amounts. The total of credit side in debit side 4,50,000. Now credit side total 4,50,000. Now in debit side 3,44,500. 3,44,500. Now the difference 0.5. 1,05,500. 1,05,500. This is the profit. This profit is transferred to profit and loss account in bracket profit. bracket profit. By the preparation of consignment account, the consignor how much amount got as profit. Here the profit is 1,05,500. Okay. Next, after finishing the consignment account, now prepare consign account. Consign account. Who is the consignee here? Prasad. Prasad is the consignee. This is the consignee. Debit, credit, particular amount. It is easy to prepare with the help of consignment account. Now you are prepared Prasad account. In consignment account, the Prasad appears in credit side and debit side. It appears in credit side and debit side. In credit side amount transferred to debit side in Prasad account. Debit side in Prasad account. Which account? Consignment account to consignment account. Consignment account. Bracket sales. Sales 4,50,000. Okay. Now Prasad appears in debit side also here. Prasad expenses 10,000 and Prasad commission 22,500. These two amounts transferred to Prasad account. Here the Prasad appears in debit side. It is transferred to credit side of Prasad account by consignment account. Consignment account. Expenses 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Here another amount. Commission 22,500 by consignment. Consignment account. Bracket lo commission 22,500. If any advance is in the problem, the advance amount is credit side in Prasad account. So it's on credit side by. What is the advance here? Right and insurance. Bhaskar drawn a bill. Here the advance bill. So by bills receivable. By bills receivable. Amount 1 lakh. Amount 1 lakh. Now the total debit side is bigger than credit side. So in debit side 4,50,000. 4,50,000. The difference 4,50,000 minus the total of credit side 1,32,500. 1,32,500. So the difference $3,17,500. 3,17,500 by bank. Bracket balancing figure. Bracket balancing figure. 3,17,500 different. This amount is due from consignee to consignor. Okay. After preparation of consignee account, now prepare goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account. debit, credit, particulars amount, particular amount. Now the goods sent on consignment account is appears in the consignment account in debit side. So it is transferred to credit side on the goods sent on consignment account by consignment account. Consignment account 3 lakhs. Now the total in credit side 3 lakhs. Here also 3 lakhs. This amount is transferred to trading account. Trading account. Okay. Now look at the another sum in consignment accounts, that is sum number 3. Okay. Look at here. Vishnu of Vijayawada consigned goods value of rupees 50,000. Value of rupees 50,000 to Shiva. Vishnu of Vijayawada consigned goods value of 50,000 to Shiva. Here the sender Vishnu. So he is the consigner and the receiver Shiva. Shiva is the consignee. Vishnu consigner, Shiva consignee. How's it bad? The value of goods 50,000. Here the value of goods 50,000. Vishnu paid transport charges. Who is Vishnu? He is the consigner. Consigner paid transport charges 4,000. Expenses of consigner 4,000. And draw a bill of 2 months on Shiva for 30,000 as advance. Here the advance is rupees 30,000. It is shown in the consignee account. The bill was discounted with bankers for its rupees 29,000. This is not shown in consignee account and consignment account. Shiva sent the account sales with the consignment stating that the entire stock was sold for rupees 72,000. Here the sales 72,000. The sales amount is 72,000 and cartage paid by consignee. Here the consignee expenditure 2,000 and consignee commission of consignee 3,000 and a bank draft for the balance. Prepare necessary ledger account. Here first of all you are required to prepare consignment account. Consignment account. Debit side and credit side. Here shows all the expenses. In credit side shows revenue. Consignment account. Particulars amount. Particulars amount. Here all the expenses are shown in the debit side and revenue in credit side. Okay, see here, Vishnu of Vijayawada consigned goods value of 50,000 to Shiva. Here the consignment amount, the consignor purchased these goods for consignment. The consignor purchased these goods for consignment. So it is an expenditure. It is shown in the debit side of consignment account. Writes as to goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account. rupees 50,000 is an expenditure. Okay, next, second word. Vishnu paid transport charges 4,000. Vishnu, who is Vishnu? He is the consignor. Here the consignor expenses 4,000. Consignor expenses 4,000. So that amount is shown in the debit side, 4,000. Writes as bank account. This is paid by the consignor, bank account, in bracket expenses. Bracket expenses. Next. And draw a bill of 2 months on Shiva for 30,000 as advance. This is the advance. This amount is shown in credit side of the consignee account. Credit side of the consignee account. Shiva sent the account sales of the consignment stating that the entire stock was sold for rupees 72,000. This is the sales amount, 72,000. Sales is a revenue. So it is shown in credit side of consignment account. Credit side of consignment account, 72,000. Writes as, who is the agent of consignor? Shiva. Shiva is the consignee, he is the agent. Shiva in bracket sales, 72,000. Next, cartage 2,000. This is the expenditure of consignee. This is the expenditure of consignee. So the expenses, all expenses are debit in consignment account. So it is also debit. So it is also debited in consignment account. Rupees 2,000. This amount is paid by consignee. So here the consignee Shiva. Shiva account. Shiva account in bracket expenditure. Rupees 2,000. Next, commission 3,000. The commission is paid by the consignor to consignee. The consignor paid commission to consignee. It is also an expenditure and it is debit in consignment account. Shiva account, bracket commission, rupees 3,000. And bank draft for the balance. Prepare necessary ledger accounts. Now, the credit side amount is bigger than the debit side amount. So the credit total 72,000. 72,000. The balancing figure, that is 72,000 minus these amounts. The total of debit 59,000. 72,000 minus 59,000. See here, 72,000 minus 59,000. That is 13,000. 13,000. Profit and loss account. Bracket profit. Profit. In consignment, the consignor Vishnu got 13,000 profit here. After preparing consignment account, now you are prepared consignee account. Consignee account, that is Shiva account. Shiva. Debit, credit. Particulars amount. Here also particulars amount. It is consignee account. Shiva account is prepared easily with the help of consignment account. Here Shiva appears in consignment account debit side, then it is transferred to Shiva account credit side. and Shiva is appear in credit side, it is transferred to debit side in Shiva account. See here, in debit side, Shiva expenses 2000 and Shiva commission 3000. These two amounts are transferred in credit side of Shiva account by transferred from which account? Consignment account, by consignment account. Consignment account, in brackets 2000 expenditure, expenses 2000 and commission 3000 by consignment, bracket commission, 3000. Okay. Now in consignment account credit side, Shiva appears in credit side. This is transferred debit side of the Shiva account, that is to consignment account. Consignment account 72,000. If any advance is in the problem, that advance is transferred to Shiva account. In credit side by, here what is the advance? 30,000, and draw a bill of rupees the bill of 2 months on Shiva for rupees 30,000 as advance. Here the advance bill in the form of bill. So by bills receivable rupees 30,000. Now the total in debit side 72,000 is bigger than credit side. So total 72,000, here 72,000. Difference between debit and credit, 35,000 credit, 72,000 debit. 72,000 minus 35,000, it is 37,000 by bank, in bracket balancing figure. This amount, this 37,000 amount is due from Shiva to Vishnu. After preparing of Shiva account, then finally prepare goods sent on consignment account. Now prepare goods sent on consignment account. Consignment account. Debit, credit, particular amount. It is easy to prepare with the help of consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account is appears in debit side of consignment account. So this account is transferred to goods sent on consignment account in credit side by consignment account. Consignment account 50,000. Now the total in credit side 50,000. Here also 50,000. This amount is transferred to trading account. This is the process to calculate ledger accounts in the books of consignor. First one consignment account, second one Shiva account, consignee Shiva, and third one goods sent on consignment account. In consignment account, find the profit in consignment 13,000, and in consignee account amount due from consignee to consignor 37,000. Finally, the consignment transferred to trading account. Finally, the consignment transferred to trading account. Okay. Again, I will explain this sum. Here, Vishnu of Vijayawada consigned goods value of 50,000 to Shiva. Here, the amount, the goods sent to consignor to consignee, that amount is 50,000. This amount is purchased consignor. This amount is purchased consignor to consignment. So it is an expenditure. So it is shown in debit side. And Vishnu paid transport charges. This is also an expenditure. This is also debit in consignment account. And next, under a bill, the bill was discounted. Shiva sent the account sales of the consignment stating that the entire stock was sold for rupees 72,000. The stock was sold by consignee. This is revenue. So it is credited in consignment account, sales by Shiva account in sales. In bracket sales 72,000. Next, cartage. This is expenditure of consignee. It is also debited in consignment account, that is 2,000. And commission 3,000. Commission, this amount 3,000 commission paid to consignee by consignor. So it is an expenditure. It is also debit in consignment account. Now finally the difference. This is profit. Finally the difference. This is profit. Total revenue 72,000. Expenditures 59,000. Difference revenue 72. Expenditure 59. Difference 13,000 is the profit. Here, after preparing consignment account, now you are required to prepare Shiva account. It is easy to prepare with the help of consignment account. In consignment account, Shiva appears in debit side. This amount is transferred to credit side. And in consignment account, Shiva appears in credit side. This amount is transferred to debit side of consignee account. That is Shiva account. Finally, you got the balance. This balance is due from Shiva to Vishnu. Shiva to Vishnu. And after finally prepare goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account, it appears in the debit side of consignment account. So this amount is transferred to credit side of consignee account. That is 50,000. Finally, this is transferred to trading account. So this is the problem, this is the solution. Okay.